Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, Samsung has rolled out a huge new update for Samsung Internet Browser, and they have made some changes and also they have added some new features. And this update is for One UI 8.5 users, but the good news is you can install this APK on your One UI 8 also. And I don't know about One UI 7. I think it will run on One UI 7 also. So in this video, I will show you what new changes they have made in this update and also what new features they have added in this update, and also I will tell you how you can download and install this on your phones also. So without further delay, let's get started. So before updating to newer version, let me open the old version. As you can see, it's written internet, and if I open it, and this is how it looks. If I tap on menu, this is how it looks. They have changed this also, and they have changed the home screen also. And if I open any web page, okay, and if I tap on AI, and this thing also they have changed. Okay, so this is obviously the older version. In newer version, all this thing has been changed. Okay, I will show you. If I go to Samsung store, you can see there is no update. And also if I open Play Store and search for Samsung Internet Browser, you will notice that there is no update. So we have to do the update manually. If I go to File Manager, and this is the newest version, if I tap on install, so let us update it manually, and you also have to update it manually. Okay, after installing, I will show you what new features and what new changes they have made. And guys, I am requesting you guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe guys. Alright guys, the update is done. Now let me click on done. The first thing you will notice the change is the browser name has been changed. Previously it used to call Samsung Internet, now it's Samsung Browser. You can clearly see now it's Samsung Browser. Okay, the name has changed. This is the first change. Okay, browser name has been changed from internet to browser. Let me open the browser. So the first thing you will notice that this is brand new wallpaper of One UI 8.5 Samsung Browser. Okay, so this new background wallpaper has been added. And also if I tap on menu over here, you can see this UI also has been changed. Previously it used to be like this, but now it's kind of, I don't know how to explain, but yeah, you can clearly notice the difference. Okay, this is the new UI. Okay, so this has also been changed. If I open any web page, for example this one, okay, now if I tap on AI icon, you will be noticed that you can see this UI has also been changed. Okay, previously it used to be like this, 1 2 3. I think this looks much better. Okay, also I noticed one more change. For example, if I open any new page, you will notice that this line is now RGB kind of color. Okay, previously it used to be plain blue color, but now whenever you open a new page, for example if I open again, so you will be noticing that this new animation line is kind of RGB color. Okay, previously it used to be plain blue, so this looks much better now. If I tap on multi-tap icon, I think this is also a new pill shape switch to private browser or desktop mode, I guess, I don't know what, but yeah, this icon is also new. And also they have added a brand new AI feature which they are calling Ask AI. So basically what this does is, when you are in a web page, you can ask AI about the web page currently which you are in, and also you can ask about other topics while you are browsing. Okay, so this is also a new AI feature, but guys, this feature is currently only in US and Korea. Currently this is not globally roll out, but I think if you update the browser, Samsung will soon roll out this feature globally. So yeah, this is also a new feature added in this browser. So guys, Samsung has made more changes and have added a lot of more features in this update, but these are the few features which I have noticed. So guys, link will be in the description. Download the APK, install it and open it, and if you see any new features which I haven't mentioned in this video, just comment below and tell me. Okay, alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Did you like this new name? I think this looks much better rather than internet browser, seems much better. So let me know in the comment. Okay, so guys, and if you have a Samsung phone, do subscribe, you won't be disappointed. Okay, have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye, take care.